Hello, lovelies. This is gluten-free, sugar-free pancake recipe using by batter dispenser. 2 eggs, half cup Greek yogurt, 2 scoop protein powder, vanilla or strawberry, 2 teaspoon baking powder. In a large mixing bowl, add all your ingredients. Whisk thoroughly until your pancake batter has formed. It should be runny with some consistency. Take out your griddle or saute pan using butter or avocado oil spray. Add about 1 tablespoon into your pan and heat on high heat. Pour your batter by batter dispenser onto the pan, making circles. You can also do one large pancake. This batter dispenser is very good, very useful. You can buy from TikTok shop. Flip once it start bubbling and golden brown. Serve with butter and maple. Go and buy this dispenser. Wow! Please like, share, and follow for more. Bye.